Good day again, grade 9. So, this time we'll be discussing the last kind or type of variation for this quarter, that is combined variation. So, pang-apat na po ito. If you miss yung tatlo, meron tayong direct, inverse, and joint. Then, last one is the combined variation. So, from the word itself nga, ang sabi, it's a combined variation. So, kung yung jointly ay dalawa yung independent variable, pero pareho pa rin directly, kumbaga, direct variation pa rin siya, pero dalawa lang yung independent variable natin. In this case naman, it is a combination of direct and inverse variation. Kaya nga siya tinawag na combined variation. So, in definition, the statement y varies directly as x and inversely as z can be written in the form y equals kx over z, where k is still the constant of the variation. Naputol itong ano. So, this should be constant of the variation. Okay. So, that should be constant of the variation. So, still, we have, tandaan, yung mga variables na to, pwedeng magbago, except yung ating k, which is the constant of the variation. So, we still have one dependent variable. We have two independent variable, that is x and z. So, if you would notice, yung isa directly, yung isa inversely. Then, yung k is still your constant of variation. So, let's proceed with an example. Suppose r varies directly as the square of s and inversely as t, and r equals 72 when s equals 6 and t equals 3. Find t when r equals 12 and s equals 2. So, ganun pa rin po. We need to find the equation of our variation. Okay. So, to find, punta tayo dito. So, r varies directly as the square of s. Dun ka muna. So, r varies directly. So, that will be multiplication. So, r equals k directly multiplied s squared. Merong inverse t. So, you'll divide this also by t. So, tandaan, pag direct variation, you just need to multiply it with your constant. Kapag naman inverse variation, you just need to divide it with your constant. So, r equals ks squared over t. We need first to find the value of k. So, hanapin natin yung value of k. Substitute lang po natin yung may given, which is yung r equals 72, and s equals 6, and t equals 3. So, substitute natin yan doon sa ating equation. So, that will be r is 72 equals k times s, which is 6 squared. Tandaan mo, merong squared dun sa ating equation. Then, we have all over t, which is 3. Okay. From here, dyan-das lang po muna tayo. So, mauna yung exponent. We will have 72 equals k times 6 squared is 30. 6 divided by 3. Usually, as much as possible, pag pwede nang i-cancel out muna po. So, focus lang muna ako dito. So, dito kasi, since 3 and 36 are both divisible by 3, we will have, this is 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 36 divided by 3 is 12. So, we will have 72 equals 12 times k, which is 12k. From here, since I want to get the value of k, I'll divide both sides by 12. Cancel out to. So, matitira ay 72 divided by 12, and that is 6. So, 6 equals k, or k equals 6. Once we get the value of k, substitute lang po natin siya doon sa original equation. We will have, so, our original equation now will be changed. Substitute mo lang yung k. This will be r equals, instead of writing k, I will have 6s squared all over t. Ito na yung equation natin. Now, for the second part of the problem, you were asked to find the value of t when r equals 12 and s equals 2. So, substitute mo lang po. Sabi, r equals 12 daw. Dito galing yun, ah. Okay. So, you were asked to find t when r equals 12 and s equals 2. So, r equals 12 is equal to 6 times s, which is 2 squared all over t. Gemdas po tayo ulit. We will have 12 equals 6 times 2 square is 4 all over t. I'll cross multiply this one na po. Bakit? Kasi tanda mo, any number has an invisible one here. So we'll just cross multiply this one. We will have 12 times t, and that is 12t is equal to, cross multiply rin from here, we will have 1 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Then you just need to divide both sides by 12. Cancel to. Since 12 divided by 12 is 1, ang matitira na lang ay t equals 24 divided by 12 is 2. And our final answer is 2.